These are all the items you'll need when making faux marble countertops, and some you might already have at home. Okay, right now I'm scumbling. It's a technique used with paint, and I'm actually trying to make subtle veins in the paint with white and gray paint diluted with a little water. You can also have a little spray bottle with water in it and squirt it, and it'll help it to run and look real good. And more natural veins. I'm still scumbling over here on this section. I'm just doing real subtle veins because I like the subtle look. I don't like the in-your-face bright veins. You also always want your veins to go in one direction, so I'm making all my veins go down. You can branch off from those directions, but try to make the way it runs in one direction. The best part about this also is if you do mess up, guess what? Get the white paint, paint over it, give it some time to dry. It's pretty quick drying paint, and then redo the process. You really can't go wrong. Now this is the part I was really nervous about, being that I had never worked with epoxy resin before. There's two different ones, bottles that come with it. You have to mix them. You have to be exact with your measurements to know the square footage that you're working with. It is self-leveling, which is very nice. And I didn't think my tiles were level, but they must have been because they leveled really well. You have to be careful of air bubbles, and you have to make sure it's stirred the complete amount of time. Very important. You're being timed. You only have, once you pour it like there, you only have about 15 solid minutes to work with. So you have to work quick, fast. You can do it. These images are after I poured the epoxy, and I'm waiting for it to dry. This is just the after shot of how it looks now, and now on with the cabinets, because once you fix one thing, you have to fix a million other. And the backsplash. Woo! Well, you guys and gals, we are going to tackle faux lime washing our backsplash. It is dated and it's ready for a change. So we are going to faux lime wash it, and I'll show you how I did it. You can use any color you want, rag, paintbrush, water, and just pretty much paint it. You can distress it or whitewash it rather as much as you want. I end up doing mine a little bit more than I thought I would. And then I went back with a orbital sander and buffed it out to get that lime wash look. You can actually buy lime wash paint and stuff like that if you want, but why spend the money when you can buy a $5 can of paint and do it yourself with the rest of the stuff you have probably at home in your garage. Once you do one thing, you have to do more. So we've completed the countertops, we have faux lime washed the backsplash, and now we are painting all the cabinets white, and the drawer pulls are going to be gold. This was just a kitchen refresh, under $100. Most of the items you have at your home already. And I pretty much painted what I already had, and it was a nice makeover for under $100.
Lord, we are like the worst.